Hello guys, welcome to part 4. This is part, this is the video on series SQL 50, and I've already uploaded videos on these 3 questions, and now it's turn to solve article views. So let's start this video. So first, understand the table. So there is a table that is views. It have 4 columns: article ID, author ID, viewer ID, view date, right? So according to this question, we have to first understand this question. Write a solution to find all the authors that view at least one of their own article. It's mean, so let's understand from this example table. So here is the article ID, author ID, and viewer ID, and view dates, right? So according to this question, we have to find all the authors who viewed their own article. For example, this author ID 7 and viewer ID is also 7. So it's mean the article ID 2, which is written by author 7, he viewed their own article. So we need to find these type of author or IDs. For example, this is also same, the author who viewed their own article. So as an output we will get 7 and 4. But in this case we in this table we have like 4 ID. Read these. ID 4, ID 4, author 4. Read their author 4 viewed their article twice, you can see, but in this but as a output we need to show only one time. So let's write the SQL query. So start with the select clause. Select what we want: author ID, author ID as ID, because in output we need to show as a ID. From table views, where what? Author ID is equal to viewer ID. You can see that we want these and these ID, right? Because author ID and viewer ID are same. And there is also mentioned that return the result table sorted by ID in ascending order. So we need to add one more clause, order by id, because we have already changed their id name, author id as a id, so we can write their id only. And one more thing we need to add, for example, first run this table, first run this yeah, you can see that we get 4 two times because we didn't mention here distinct, so now this query is totally correct, totally completed. Let's run this it, let's run this code. Yeah, here we go, we can see that our code runs successfully. So let's submit this code now. Yes, our code is accepted. So thanks for watching this video. Like this video if you really get any help from this, and please subscribe this channel, Analysis with Ashish. Thank you.